on the show. Nothing major, nothing kind of like off key or anything. We're just going to be doing a few new things, fixing up everything, just making everything a little bit sharper, a little bit tighter, a little bit neater. Big shout to my daughter Cassia. She's feeding Kanye West Through the Wire. I'm telling ya, Daddy, Through the Wire, loves it. Busting 2 little moves to it. Telling you, you know. Incredible dancer. She likes that little warning tune as well. Little roots thing, little skanking thing. She loves all the little skankers. When it's a little bit too hard, she's, Daddy, I don't like it. Once she has 2 little beelines coming through, she starts doing the jigs, row the boat and all that kind of thing. Trust me, you know, row the boat. Sean Paul, you better watch it. So anyway, we have got around 20-25 minutes left. Show Spring Collection tonight. Big shout going out to Ben from the Insiders, all the crew from the Insiders. Big shout to Bailey, played a wicked set down at Swerve on Wednesday. Fabio and Radio 1 coming up next. Bobby Nihao. 6 of the best next. No, you're not. Right, tonight's selection of the best forthcoming drum and bass nights round. We kick off with Best of British at Canvas, formerly Bagley's in London, with Mampy Swift, Ray Keith, Nicky Black Market, Fluid, and loads more. That's on Saturday night. Sunday night, we got Legends of the Dark Black, Event 2 in Brighton, with Full Cycle Posse featuring Ronnie Size, Crust, Dice, Love, Surge, and Click. Friday the 16th. Meltdown presents the Ram Raiders Tour, the Beach Club in Brighton, with Andy C, Shimon, Moving Fusion, and Quantum. The Bristol Academy MC Convention. Next week Saturday, Shabba, Det, X-Man, Fearless, DJ Brocky, Ray Keith, and Kenny Ken. Next Friday, or the Friday after, the 23rd, Breakbeat Chaos, Fabric in London, with Adam F, Shy Effects, Pendulum, Zinc, Haskell, MCs, GQ and Fat. Wednesday the 21st, Essence of Chai, Plan B in Brixton, London, with Artificial Intelligence 2-hour set, Danny Exile, DJ K, and MC Fat. So once again, Best of British.